Hello students, today we will discuss the exercises of the chapter of the poem that we have learned yesterday. That's name is bedtime. Okay, so in the first question, write the rhyming words from the poem. Some words are given to you and you have to find out rhyming words from the poem that is given into the each stanza. Okay, so the first one is more, and the more is given into the first stanza of the poem. So just find out which is rhyming words, which word is rhyming words of the word more. Okay, सो राइमिंग वर्ड्स पहले क्या होते हैं ये समझेंगे. राइमिंग वर्ड्स मीन्स ऐसे वर्ड्स जिनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या हो, सेम साउंड में हो, लाइक साउंड वाउंड. ओके, हेल्प, एल्प, ask, okay, task, ask and task. Okay, so then book, look, begun, won, for, more. Okay, so in this way you can use the words, okay, that are given in the poem. So in the first stanza what you can see, more is a rhyming words of floor. So what we will feel here, floor. Either you can feel floor, so feel floor. Now book, again book, अभी मैंने बताया बुक का क्या बताया था, लुक. बिगन, बिगन का वोन. फोर, फोर का क्या हो जाएगा, मोर. ओके, so these are rhyming words of the given words. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. What are the children doing at bedtime? Building a, so the first one was building a castle. CASTLE, on the floor. FLOOR. Reading a story in a book. Sorry. Third one, finishing a bed chain. Okay, so BEAD, bed chain. Fourth one, finishing a that they have begun, so finishing a game that they have begun. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, and that is question C. Answer these questions. In this, is the poet writing about children or grown-ups? How do you know? So the poet is writing about children's. Okay, we know this. Uh, the activities they we know this, the activities, by the activities they are doing. Okay, so what we will write here, so we can write the poet is writing about children. Okay, we know this. KNOW, know this by their activities. ACTIVITIES. Okay, so this is the answer of the first one. You can note down it from the video. Okay, from here. The poet is writing about children. We know this by their activities. ACTIVITIES. Okay. Now let's move ahead to the next question. I am going to erase this. Okay. Firstly, you pause this video and note down this. Then after move ahead. Okay. Now moving ahead to the next one. Let me stay 5 minutes more. What does the stay mean here? So stay out of bed. Just tick here. What is the poem about? Finishing different things that children are doing, not going to bed early. Okay. So the poem is about finishing different things that children are doing, are not going to bed early. Not going to bed early. Okay. Now next one. What does one need to do before going to bed? Match. Finish homework. Have dinner. Brush teeth. Put on night clothes. Okay. So match it with the correct one. Okay. So now this was the last one. With this we have done all the exercises of chapter 6. So just fill it in your books and learn them. Okay. So तब तक के लिए thank you. Bye bye. Take care.